You can wait for something to happen, or you can make something happen. Caveat emptor and all that stuff. Alright, today we're going to install the Trash Panda Wallet, aka the PRCO wallet, aka Procyon wallet, in Windows, so we can start sending coin to it. So I type in raccoon, we get nothing. Yes, it is a meme coin. I type in PRCO, PRCO, click on Procyon coin. Is it Procyon? And then we're going to click on our plant. Not because I love it, not because it's at the top. It's just because I know it's going to get me to where I need to go and where we need to go to get the wallet. So click on connect. Once we've clicked on connect, let's go to the site. Although we could have just clicked on the GitHub wallet. But we'll go to the site and find the wallet from there. Easily click on download wallet, and let's select the Procyon -1.0.3-win64.zip, and it's downloading. Once it's done, let's do the thing we always do and extract it. We're going to extract all. Click the extract button, let her rip. Once it's done, we're gonna go in there, and it's just a thing of mine. I don't like things nested within things. I sort of like things off the folder and not under a folder. Anyways, enough babbling. We're going to run it, the Procyon-QT. Windows is going to warn us we're going to run it anyways, because once again, I'm running in a pretty much protected environment or clean environment or less dangerous environment because it's a VM. We're going to set it up using the defaults. So we're going to use default data directory, and we're going to click OK. I think my VM needs more hamsters. Okay, we're going to create a new wallet using a new BIP39 compliant set of 12 seed words. And we're going to click accept. We're going to generate those new seed words, and we're going to copy it. I'm going to type in password for the phrase, for the passphrase, and click accept. We're going to allow through the firewall. And now it's connecting to peers. And while we're doing that, let's go backwards in time and run VirusTotal on these files and the zip. This check won't mean you're completely safe, but it'll give you an idea of what vendors and sandboxes out there are saying about it. When it comes up and it says PUA, or potentially unwedded application coin miner, we kind of expect that, and just because it's a PUA doesn't mean it's inherently dangerous. So we're running through the other files as well. I try to be thorough. And let's do the last one, the CLI. And we've done our checks. Now we go for the long wait. And why do we need it to be synced? Because if we try to send or receive, things may not work properly. and or we may not see things properly. So we can mine the coin prior to having full syncage. Typically you don't need to leave wallets open unless it's one of those staking type wallets. One of them is Frog Coin, the other one I know of is Pulsar. Otherwise you can close the wallet and open it as needed. However, you may want to update it at least once a week to keep the chain fresh on your computer. So once it finds the peers, then it starts syncing the network and it tells us we're 7 weeks behind and we're 3 weeks behind and we're 13 days behind. Now this is just an illusion. It doesn't work that fast, or if it does work that fast, you and the network you're behind are quite gifted. We're a few days behind and now we're done. To find this particular wallet, you're going to go in the search and type %AppData%. And it's going to pull up that directory. You're going to click on Procyon, and there's your wallet, wallet.dat. And once again, thanks for the watchings.